Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for Medieval Dynasty. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can chop trees within the Medieval Dynasty game. So let's get started right away. Now, in order to chop up trees within this game, you will first need to craft the stone axe item. To craft this item, you will require 10 sticks and 2 stones. Both of these items can be found laying on the ground, and you can simply take them with the E button. Once you have acquired enough of these items, you can go back to the creation menu from the Q button, and from the handcrafting options, just choose your stone axe and it will be crafted right away. Now just equip the axe and then find any tree that you would like to cut. After hitting the tree a few times, you will notice it falling down, and once it has fallen, just chop it a few more times and now you can collect the log. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to chop down or cut down trees within the Medieval Dynasty game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.